disturbs the Empress.
Round 1. Fight!
Hello, E-Monkeyians, it's E-Monk here, and today we are going over the arms, which includes the parachute clip piece, the gloves, and the necklace as well. So there's not really much to this, therefore that's why it's really short. So since I didn't do much to either of these pieces, I decided to combine them together. So yeah, here we go. On screen, E-Monk, it is your turn. Alright, to make the gloves, I cut out this long rectangular fabric that would go around my arm. And then what I did is I pinned it first. And I put it on, and I pinned it all the way down to where it fits my hand. And I cut it at a curve right there. That way whenever I bend, it pokes out just like hers. Now that I got the perfect fit, I'm just going to transfer it onto my second one. And then do a zigzag stitch up the seam. That's it. Alright, to give you an idea of what kind of mess I'm making, I cut a thin strip of the, what is that called? Interface. Yeah. And a strip of spandex silver fabric. And then I folded it over like this because this is going to attach to the top of the glove. So it doesn't matter what color stitch we put here because it's going to be hiding. So zigzag stitch this once you close that. And go ahead, come on, and close the ends too. Go ahead and get that done. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, I know I said to use that fabric, but I ended up using the tape instead. I found out this was sturdier and much better. So all I did was literally do like we did before. Instead of folding it over though, just leave it out. And it actually worked out really well. It looks really nice. Did it on both of them. Hem the bottom before you close this up. That's where I messed up. So I had to go back and re-hem it, but it would have looked better if I went ahead and did it before I closed this up. Same thing with this piece right here. I should have just waited, but I was excited, so yeah. But now we need to put them in the washer, put them on, get them all washed off and get all these finishes off so we can start painting them. Alright, now we're doing the top arm band pieces. And what I did is I cut out some pink fabric, well, pleather, that stretched perfectly around my arm just enough because we'll be adding the parachute clip, so that's perfect. And all we do is fold this over and do a zigzag stitch down. And then we flip it inside out by using a pair of scissors and slowly rolling it out to where it turns into a roll. And it will flatten out once we add the parachute clips when we fold it over. So yeah, that's what we are doing. Alright, we're going to put it in the washer and add that net looking texture. And then throw it in the dryer for an hour for it to cure. And then we'll sew it all together. And then the armbands will be done. I painted the opposite sides of the gloves and the armbands. So now after they dry for at least 4 hours, I will throw them in the dryer for heat treatment for 60 minutes. And then I'll go sew the clips onto that, and then all this will be done. I made the neck piece. It's just literally a triangle, and it's a collar. And I just use Velcro, kind of like similar to the cowl I made for Harley.
Mileena wins. Fatality.